In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post on Patreon. Pinning a post is a simple way to make sure your most important content is the first thing your audience sees. It's perfect for highlighting announcements, welcoming new patrons, or keeping a key update front and center. I'll walk you through the exact path to pin your post and how to verify it's working, with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by heading to your creator profile. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Posts. This is where all of your content lives. To make things easy, switch to the published view so you're only looking at content that's live. If you recently posted, you can also just scroll down your feed to find it. Take a moment to double check the title and thumbnail so you're pinning the right item. If you're managing a lot of posts, using filters or search can save time and keep things organized. When you've located the post you want to feature, move your cursor to the top right corner of that post and click the three dots icon. This opens a quick actions menu. From here, select Pin to top of page. Patreon will immediately place that post at the very top of your feed for visitors to see first. Keep in mind that Patreon typically allows only one pinned post at a time, so pinning a new one will replace any previously pinned content. This is useful when rotating highlights like monthly updates, tier changes, or time-sensitive announcements. Next, let's verify that everything looks right publicly. Navigate to your public-facing page. If there's a View as Public option, use it. Otherwise, open your page link in a new tab or a private window. At the top of your feed, you should now see the post you selected, anchored in place with a clear pinned badge. That badge is your confirmation that it's featured correctly and visible to your audience as intended. If the badge doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or try checking from another browser or device. Occasionally, cached pages can delay updates. Also, remember that you can return to the same three-dot menu at any time to change which post is pinned. This lets you keep your page fresh and aligned with your current priorities. And that's all there is to it. With a few clicks, you've made your most important message impossible to miss, improving clarity for your patrons and creating a more polished experience on your page.